What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the derivative of function secant squared of tanx. Before I start, I just want to have a quick review of finding the derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x times tan x. Derivative of secant u is u prime times, if u is a function of x, u prime secant u times tan u. And derivative of tan x is secant squared x, or 1 plus tan squared x, or 1 over cosine squared x. So let's go back to the question and solve it. It says secant squared tan x. When you have secant squared or secant to the power of n u, the derivative is going to be n times secant to the power of n minus 1 u times u prime times derivative of secant, which will be secant u tan u. So for this example, we have secant squared, so it's going to be 2 times secant to the power of 1 now, because 2 minus 1 is 1. U is tan x. U prime, which is the derivative of tan, which is secant squared of x, times secant u, which is secant of tan x, times tan u, which is tan of tan x, which will be basically, let's keep it like that, because as far as I see here, that's not really something that you can simplify more. So I leave it as 2 times secant of tan x times secant squared x times secant of tan x, or which is going to be secant to the power of 2 tan x. And then I can say tan of tan x. So basically that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra help. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.